Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us. We've been working hard, continuing our shift from a mobile-first to an AI-first world. We are rethinking all our core products and working hard to solve user problems by applying machine learning and AI.
We design for the spaces our products live in, and we take inspiration from the materials and colors that people already use to make their home more warm and inviting. With that, we are introducing Mini, the newest member of the Google Home family. So the 4 LED lights under the fabric are there when you need them, lighting up to show you that it hears you or it's thinking. And you can control it by touch. Give the fabric a quick tap to pause your music, adjust the volume, or talk to your assistant. We embraced Mini's circular shape to project 360-degree sound, so it's really crisp no matter where you stand in the room. And if you want bigger sound, you can easily connect Mini to any Chromecast built-in speaker wirelessly. We created Mini in 3 beautiful colors: coral, chalk, and charcoal. Mini will retail for just $49 in the US, and it's going to be available for pre-order online starting today, and in stores starting October 19th from major retailers. We're also really happy to announce that Mini is coming to all 7 Google Home countries.
You know, making a more thoughtful home is just one way to help make our joyfully hectic family lives a little easier. It can be hard to gather the household together for those family moments like dinner time or movie night. We're launching a new feature called Broadcast. Just say, "Hey Google, broadcast it's time to leave for school."
Got it. Broadcasting now.
The assistant will broadcast the message to all the other Google Home devices in my house. It's really great. Parents are going to love this feature. Kids are going to hate this feature. Okay, finally, I have one more exciting addition to share that's coming to the Google Home family. Say hello to Max, our biggest and best sounding Google Home ever. Just like the Pixel reimagined the camera, we'll do the same with sound, with a combination of great hardware and software powered by Google's machine learning capabilities. The first thing you'll notice is how we obsessed over the bass. Its 2 4.5-inch woofers have 22 millimeters of excursion, an extremely high range for their size. That means these woofers can move a lot of air, allowing Max to really hit those low frequencies. It's more than 20 times more powerful than Google Home, so it'll fill any room in your house with amazing audio. To sound great, the speaker needs to adjust to you and your home. So today we're announcing Smart Sound, a new audio experience powered by Google's AI. It allows Max to adapt to you, your environment, your context, your preferences. So for example, if you set up a speaker near a wall, on a shelf, in a corner, fairly common places, it can dramatically change the sound balance of the speaker and make the music sound muddy and the vocals lose clarity. Well, with Smart Sound, we automatically tune the speaker to correct for this effect, using our machine learning model trained with thousands of different room configurations. And over time, Smart Sound will automatically adapt the sound to fit your context, lowering the volume in the morning, raising the volume when the dishwasher is running, or just adjusting the tuning based on the type of media you're listening to, whether it be music, podcasts, or news. And Google Home Max is designed to be incredibly versatile and fit naturally in your home. You can stand it up vertically, place it horizontally. Its base magnetically pops into place. So when you change Max's orientation, there aren't any rubber feet where they don't need to be. Google Home Max will be available starting December for $399. And it'll come in 2 colors, chalk and charcoal. Now, we'll initially launch in the US, with more countries coming early next year.
Meet Google Pixelbook, the high-performance Chromebook. Pixelbook is the thinnest, lightest laptop we've ever made, at just around 10 millimeters thin and a kilogram light. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display is gorgeously high resolution, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and enough brightness to use outside, even on a sunny day. We developed an extremely thin keyboard that's comfortable to use, with soft touch keys and a backlit design that helps you work from anywhere. With Intel Core i5 and i7 processors, Pixelbook packs a punch. It offers plenty of RAM to handle your multitasking needs, and gives you up to 512 gigs of storage. The long-lasting battery provides up to 10 hours of use from a single charge. And plugging in for just 15 minutes gives you 2 hours of battery life. You can even use your Pixelbook charger with your Pixel phone. And in moments when you don't have access to Wi-Fi, Pixelbook is smart enough to automatically connect through your Pixel phone. We call this instant tethering. We're also excited to announce that Pixelbook is the first laptop with the Google Assistant built in. So Pixelbook has a key that puts the power of the Assistant right at your fingertips, letting you type your request. And when you're using your Pixelbook as a tablet, it's easiest to show your Assistant what you need help with on your screen. That's why we created the new Pixelbook Pen. Just hold the pen's button and circle an image or text on the screen, and the Assistant will take action. When you're browsing through a blog and discover a new musician, you can circle their photo, and the Assistant will give you more information about them. The pen is also handy for moments when it feels more natural to write, draw, or take notes, like when you're using your Pixelbook as a tablet. The experience using a pen should be like writing on paper. To bring that experience to life, we partnered with the engineers at Wacom, and together we built the fastest, most responsive stylus experience ever, with just 10 milliseconds of latency, 60 degrees of angular awareness, and 2,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. Pixelbook fully supports Google Play, so popular smartphone apps are now available on a laptop. In fact, it's never been easier to put the final touches on your favorite photos in Adobe Lightroom and then post them straight to Instagram. Pixelbook starts at $9.99, and the Pixelbook Pen is $99. Both products will be available in the US, Canada, and the UK, on the Google Store, and at over 1,000 retail locations, including Best Buy. Pre-orders start today, and they'll be in stores beginning October 31st.
Today, we're proud to introduce the Google Pixel 2, designed for you with the best of Google built in. We've created the new Pixel in two sizes, a 5-inch and the 6-inch XL. Pixel 2's front-facing stereo speakers are precision-tuned to deliver the perfect balance of volume, clarity, and frequency response. If you prefer headphones, use your existing analog headphones with the included adapter, or your digital USB-C headphones for the highest resolution audio all the way to your ears. Or avoid cables altogether with your upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 support and hi-fi codecs. The smaller 5-inch Pixel 2 features a full HD OLED display. Pixel 2 comes in 3 colors, kinda blue, just black, and clearly white. The 6-inch Pixel 2 XL was designed with innovative POLED display technology. We elegantly curved the glass to bring the display to the edges for a full-screen immersive viewing experience. The screen supports 18:9 QHD Plus resolution with over 4.1 million pixels, which equals 538 pixels per inch for amazing detail. And we've optimized the displays on both phones for virtual reality. They're both Daydream ready. The Pixel 2 XL comes in 2 colors, just black and the stylishly simple black and white. Feel free to choose whichever size Pixel you prefer, because you'll get the same great experience on both. We don't set aside better features for the larger device. Both devices are IP67 water and dust resistant and have an all-day battery that charges super fast. You get up to 7 hours of charge in just 15 minutes.
We've also made it faster and easier to get to the Google Assistant on Pixel 2 with a new feature called Active Edge. Just give your Pixel a quick squeeze where your hand naturally holds the phone and ask for whatever you need. Here's a quick demo. I just squeeze the phone, take a selfie. One hand, no buttons. Help me out, front row. Nice.
The Pixel 2 has a 12-megapixel f1.8 aperture rear camera with optical image stabilization. This year, we've increased the dynamic range and improved texture and sharpness. And combined with a new autofocus mechanism and optical image stabilization to reduce blur from shaky hands, you get amazing shots every time, like this and this. Pixel 2 also brings you portrait mode, but we're implementing it a little bit differently. Other smartphones do this by combining the images from 2 cameras. Pixel 2 does portrait mode with just 1 camera and machine learning. What's unique about Pixel 2 is that it can generate a true depth map with a single lens. So you get beautiful portrait shots without needing a second camera. The way this works is that the Pixel 2 camera includes a dual pixel sensor technology. This means that each pixel in an image contains a right and a left view. The difference in perspective from those pixels, combined with machine learning models trained on almost 1 million photos, means that this works on really hard cases, like a busy, colorful background. And yes, this does work with objects too. And there's more. Portrait mode doesn't just work on the main camera. Because of the quality of Google's computational photography with a single camera, you can also take portrait selfies through the front camera on both the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL. The Pixel 2 takes amazing videos too. We're applying optical image stabilization simultaneously with video stabilization at the same time. During video recording on a Pixel 2, the OIS hardware actively corrects shake artifacts, while at the same time, the software-based video stabilization uses intelligent frame look-ahead to stabilize the overall video. The Pixel 2 camera also supports a feature called motion photos. For the photos you take, your Pixel captures up to 3 seconds of video behind the scenes, removing uninteresting motion and applying our unique fused video stabilization technology to the result. So to recap, the smart and simple Pixel 2 has everything you'd expect from a smartphone and some things you might not. We're also making it easier than ever to switch to Pixel. Most new Pixel users will be able to transfer their stuff from their old phone in less than 10 minutes, including all of your photos, apps, and even your iMessages. Pixel 2, with its 5-inch cinematic display, starts at $649 for the 64GB version. The Pixel 2 XL has a 6-inch full-screen POLED display and starts at $849. Both phones will be available in 6 countries: Australia, Canada, Germany, India, the UK, and the US. In the US, we're teaming up with Verizon to bring you Pixel 2, and you can also buy it on the Google Store and through Project Fi. You can pre-order starting today. Finally, to make sure you're getting the most out of your new phone and the Google Assistant, we're including a Google Home Mini with each purchase of a Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL for a limited time in Australia, Canada, Germany, the UK, and the US.
We've also been working on some new products to make your Pixel 2 experience even better. Let's start with the newly updated Google Daydream View, our virtual reality headset. We kept everything from last year that people loved, and we made it even better. To start, we have a new lineup of colors that complement this year's Made by Google family. We also upgraded the lenses and the fabrics, so the headset has our widest field of view yet and is super light and comfortable. And now, you can even cast the experience to the TV so your friends and family can see what you're seeing. The new Google Daydream View is the best mobile VR headset on the market and will be available for $99. Today, we're also announcing a smart new audio accessory that works perfectly with Pixel 2. They're called Google Pixel Buds. Our team designed Pixel Buds for great sound, delivering clear highs and deep bass. Controlling your music is super simple. You simply tap to start and stop your music, or swipe forwards and backwards to change the volume. Now, what's amazing is when you pair your Pixel Buds with your Pixel 2, you get instant access to the Google Assistant. Just touch and hold the earbud and ask your assistant to play music, send a text, or give walking directions, all while keeping your phone in your pocket. It can also alert you to new notifications and read your messages. Pixel Buds work great with Pixel. They even give you access to a new real-time translation experience. It's an incredible application of Google Translate powered by machine learning that's like having a personal translator by your side. Isabel is going to speak Swedish into her Pixel Buds, and I'll hear the English translation out of Pixel 2's front speakers. And then I'll respond in English, and she'll hear the Swedish translation in her Pixel Buds. Hey Isabel, how's it going?
Hej Isabel, hur är läget?
Helt okej, tack.
Absolutely okay, thank you.
What do you think of these cool new headphones?
Vad tycker du om de här coola nya hörlurarna?
Mitt team designade dem, så jag tycker de är ganska coola.
My team designed them, so I think they're pretty cool.
Google Pixel Buds come in a pocket-sized charging case that provide up to 5 hours of listening time with just one charge. And the case holds multiple charges, so you get up to 24 hours of listening time when you're on the go. Pixel Buds are available in clearly white, kind of blue, and just black to beautifully complement your Pixel 2. And they'll be available in November for $159, and pre-orders begin today. We have one more product to show you. How do you capture those fleeting, spontaneous moments while letting yourself be part of the moment? So we've been working on that. And I'm really excited to share an entirely new type of camera that works with your Pixel. We call it Google Clips. And this first edition is specifically designed with parents and pet owners in mind. So you'll capture more of those spontaneous smiles, first steps, and first tricks. Now, Clips has all the things you would expect from a great camera. A high-performance lens, a powerful image sensor. It has a shutter button. But that's not what this camera is all about. We reimagined this camera from the inside out to build a camera that takes photos for you, so you can enjoy the moment and instantly get shots you couldn't get before. When you're behind a camera, you look for people you care about. You look for smiles. You look for that moment your dog starts chasing her tail. Clips does all of that for you. Turn it on, and it captures the moment so you can be in the moment. And because the software is at the core of the camera, it's gonna get smarter over time. Clips is tiny. It weighs almost nothing, so you can easily toss it into your pocket. And it's a hands-free camera, so you can get these amazing new perspectives on your experience and get yourself in the shot by attaching Clips to almost anything or setting it down. It looks like a camera, and it has an indicator light, so everyone knows what the device does. It looks for stable, clear shots of people you know, and you help the camera learn who's important to you. And finally, all the machine learning happens on the device itself. So just like any point and shoot, nothing leaves your device until you decide to save and share it. So here's some clips I've captured with my family at home. Now, as you can see, it's not just photos that Clips is taking. It's taking little snippets that capture the whole moment. We call those, of course, clips. You can save them as a motion photo, or choose any frame to save as a high-resolution still. Clips will be coming soon and selling for $249.
Thanks so much for joining us today. For you live stream viewers, take a closer look at our new products at our redesigned Google store. Thank you so much, and enjoy your day.